If you're looking to set up A/B testing and practice better, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do that, and by the end, I'll show you why practice better might not be the best option for this, and which alternative could take your testing game to the next level. First, let's dive into practice better. To set up A/B testing, you need to access the Client tab, which will allow you to manage your client profiles and create variations of your service offerings. Once in a section, go ahead and create 2 or more different versions of a specific offer or plan. This could be a nutrition plan, coaching service, or anything you're experimenting with. What Practice Better lacks here is easy to use, integrated A/B testing features, which means a lot of manual work is involved. Next thing, you'll need to track performance. Unfortunately, Practice Better doesn't provide detailed A/B testing analytics in a way that's immediately useful for most businesses. You'll need to rely on third-party tools like Google Analytics or even spreadsheets to track your test results, and that's not ideal when you're trying to get fast feedback on which variation is working best. If you're serious about optimizing results, this adds extra time and complexity to the process. Now, let's talk about segmentation. In Practice Better, you can manually segment your clients based on criteria like behavior, preferences, and demographics, but again, it's a manual process. You'd need to set up these segments yourself and then ensure that your different A/B variations get pushed to the right clients. This is another example where Practice Better's functionality falls short. It's not as streamlined as it could be for A/B testing at scale. The fourth thing you'll want to consider is automation. While Practice Better offers some automation in scheduling and reminders, the A/B testing process still requires a lot of hands-on management. If you want to run multiple tests at once or on a larger scale, the lack of native automation here will quickly become a bottleneck, and that could slow down your testing process significantly. So, what's the alternative? While Practice Better has its strengths, it's clear that for efficient A/B testing, a more robust solution might be needed. That's where alternative software comes in. It offers seamless A/B testing features right out of the box, with easy-to-use templates, detailed reporting, and full integration with your workflows. Plus, you get all the automation you need, so you're not spending your valuable time managing tests manually. The good news? You can get an exclusive and extended free trial to alternative software through the link in the description below. Not only will you get access to this powerful A/B testing tool, but you'll also unlock some amazing benefits that are only available to our viewers. Trust me, if you're serious about A/B testing, you'll want to check it out. And don't worry, I've also included some other alternatives that offer free trials, just in case you're exploring options. Don't miss out on the best way to optimize your testing process and make data-driven decisions. Click the link below to get started with the best free trial.